Jethro is doing a bad thing. Now Lenny took the Nerf gun and gonna try to scare him off. Lenny, it's not. Don't get too close. Lenny, I don't want you to shoot him. Go far, go far. You should warn me next. No. Hold on, hold on. See? Look. Lee? Just say. No, Jethro. Look. See, Lenny, that's enough. Put it away. Put it away, Lenny. Okay, no more. You listen, okay? Lenny, see, he's looking at you putting it away. Okay, so you better listen, Jethro.
Better listen, Jethro.
Okay?
Okay.
Are you just mocking me? What in the world?
Oh, what?
In the world, Lenny?